की बार
शाहरुख खान,
अब की बार
शाहरुख खान,
अब की बार
शाहरुख खान, Barbo Larbo, Barbo Larbo, Barbo Larbo,
Huge but fight. Orange Army win. Our heart. Our heart. Huh? SRH lost, but a win our heart. Yes, Orange Army.
KKR winner hippie পুরে আমি KKR
Very bad. SRH worst playing. No, the thing was SRH tried their best. They worked really hard till finals. They played really well. Even now, I'm so proud of SRH. They had a lot of issues, but they dragged till finals this season. But the momentum was lost with first 2 wickets. Within the openers only, Travis Head was duck out and Abhishek was out within 2 runs. So I think the momentum was lost there. And KKR played really well.
Match was actually boring, but we all enjoyed it.
Why man? Why boring?
Actually, we were expecting something good from Hyderabad. Like they've actually scored very good marks in the previous match, but today I don't know, just 100 and not even 120. It was less than that.
What was mistake for SRH?
Can't say.
The match was very good and I was supporting KKR and I really loved the match. KKR played very well and I'm very happy today. SRH, I guess they had a chance for fielding, but I'm really happy they played well, but I was supporting KKR. We actually came from Bangalore just to see KKR win.
KKR dominated the entire match. It was completely one-sided. So, I mean, we wanted a close match, but happy KKR win.
You expected for the 10 over final match to finish?
Obviously not. We were hoping a nail-biter, but I mean, we are happy that in the end KKR won. Yeah.
So, what's a mistake for SRH?
I mean, they were very confident about batting first. I mean, even though you have seen the before as well, even though due factor was there, they were always going for batting first. So they have this predetermined mindset that we'll always bat first and we'll put up a score. So
Yes, very good, but I accept Sunriser played more. The run will be more, 160, 170. I will be happy. I am.
You expected for the 10 overs over the
10 over, all the match finished. In 10 over, match is finished. Sunriser played very badly today. Pitch is not so bad. Came from Kolkata to watch this match. I am very disappointed for Sunriser. I am very happy for KKR. KKR rock!
Yeah, it was fantastic. I traveled all the way from Kolkata, so I just loved the match. Yeah, it's worth it. After 10 years, I think. I think they lost confidence at the very first stage only, and the ball was in our court only.
If I have to talk about match was really boring. Like I guess it was a Chennai pitch, typical Chennai pitch, and Hyderabad really struggled to score their batsmen. And like we have seen in all the matches, their batsmen played really well, but the pitches were flat. But in this type of pitches, they really struggled. And KKR really played well with their tactics. We can see Shreyas Iyer, Gautam Gambhir. All the tactics, their plans were successful. So yeah, it was a great match for KKR. Army KKR.
बहुत मजा आया.
Actually, we enjoyed so much. The match was like full of entertaining, fun, the crowd, music, everything. The vibe of the stadium, it was all lightened and
Definitely we missed Dhoni.
yeah, CSK of course we missed because we assumed by default CSK will go to the finale, but it
But
didn't.
if he would have, like if CSK would have been in finale, we would not have watched this match.
We would not have.
Finals, not anyone is not celebrated for I mean, that was not a very...
They should have rather shifted the final to Kolkata. So okay,
What's the mistake for SRH? Everywhere, I mean, not even batting.
Yeah,
bowling.
batting.
They were having so many errors. They even missed some catches. I think
Yeah.
they didn't play in any of the side. So, fine. I think it was KKR day, Shah Rukh Khan's day.
Yeah,
They
it
are living in his world.
was one-sided win for KK.
Actually, we audience are here to enjoy it. We actually booked the tickets for CSK, but somehow they were not able to come to final. But still,
Yeah, you also a CSK fan.
yes, I am to CSK fan. I watched IPL only because of Dhoni. It is worth coming because I got a selfie with Suresh Rana. So it was worth coming only because of that. But overall it was good. But actually we were missing Dhoni very much. And if CSK would have come to final, it would have been like dream come true for all of us.
Because I think I don't know, I shouldn't be saying this or not, because the most, the entire South was supporting the Sunrisers Hyderabad, and so we were the minority, but it's okay, we won. Yeah, it's good. They should be supporting CSK because this is Chennai, so that's their home ground. But I think they will come back next year much more stronger.
What was the mistake for him?
First mistake was picking batting first only. Chidambaram is bowling pitch. They're choosing batting first. Then after that KKR will do batting.
But the thing is that for this season, usually SRH has good bowlers, but this season they had good batsmen. That's why I think, and they scored really good runs. They were scoring highest runs in other matches. So I think that's why they chose. But still, luck was on KKR side.
Back-to-back wickets falling in the first over, that's it. I'm happy with overall the performance since starting from IPL. I have watched every season, every match of the season. I'm very happy.
Yes, the target was very easy, so I guess it was okay. I loved the match.
Yeah, we did not predict, the people who are scoring above 200s all the time, they did not even score 120. But still, we are proud of SRH, but well played KKR. I think KKR, I think they played really well. Actually, they really utilized the bowling pitch, and they really took the wickets like that. And I think they played really well. But I'm really proud of Pat Cummins. He's mainly a bowler, but he gave really good strikes towards the end.
It was just a bad day. They wanted it better. That's all I can say. They played a good game. We couldn't do what we wanted to. There's bad days in sports. There's good days in sports. There's always a losing team and a winning team. That's all I can say. Congratulations to them.
Isara Cup namde. Next year, Jekron.
I am a Bengali, so I wanted KKR to win from the very beginning. And then it is Shah Rukh Khan. So, yes, it is a win-win for me. Thank you.
It's fine. I enjoy the match. Basically, KKR in leading position in bowling as well as batting. So we love the match, but we want it not should be a one-sided match. It should be a both-sided. If Sunrisers also scored around 180 and 2, then it will be more interesting how KKR batsmen will bat and how this will give much more opportunity to the Sunrisers bowlers to bowl also. So overall, it's
What was the mistake for SRH?
in SRH the battings mainly the main batsmen like Abhishek Sharma and Travis Head, they all not went as per the marks. Both went on 0. One they scored only 2 runs. So that is the key factor. From there itself they feel pressure, and after that they keep losing wickets in every interval. So
okay, SRH we lost it, but we will next season for definitely.
We will win there is a quote, right?
SRH.
There is a quote like we will not win immediately. We will win definitely, for sure.
Next time we'll see in Uppal.
Yeah.
What was the mistake today?
Mistakes. All the batsmen didn't play very well, so that's the mistake. If we could have scored,
we should have taken
bowling first.
Yeah.
Then we would have won.
So I'm a KKR fan. I came all the way from US to support my team, and it was not that tight a match. It was one-sided, but we'll take a win every day.
Actually, SRH's mistake is this: they could not bat properly. They should wait and play the game slowly. But they are trying to same strategy always do not work. They should play slowly and smoothly. And they're all trying to play very hard, very hard.